Hi, my name is Gery Rodriguez. I'm the owner of Rodriguez-Albizu Law. We are a law firm located in South Florida. Getting disability insurance early on in my career was critically important. Number one, you're never going to be in the best health of your life as you are when you're young. So that obviously affects the cost, the premium cost of the policy. So being able to lock that in as early as possible was critically important to me, just from a budgetary standpoint. In addition, you get a disability policy similar to a life insurance policy because you don't know what's going to happen in the future. You don't know if tomorrow you're going to become gravely ill, if you're going to be diagnosed with cancer, God forbid, suffer a stroke, get into a car accident. I mean, you just don't know what tomorrow brings. And so the disability policy, like the life insurance policy, was a foundational pillar to our financial security, to our personal financial security. The disability policy allows me to not only earn through that other job, a part-time job, whatever it is, but also secures the benefits for me, so I'm able to earn the benefits as well at the same time to help recover as much of the lost income as possible due to that unforeseen event. Whenever you're working with a business partner, 9 out of 10 times, business partners contribute not only financially through capital, but also through their labor. They are critical to making that business succeed. Fundamental in that are buy-sell agreements that are critical to ensure that should something, God forbid, happen to one of the business partners, the business, number one, can continue ongoing. And two, the partner who lost their life, their family can also be taken care of by receiving the benefits, for example, of a Keaney life insurance policy. They can help pay for the value, the fair value of that partner's interest in the company. You see disputes arise because one of the business partners becomes ill or disabled and they can no longer contribute full-time to the business. And while the other business partner or partners may be accommodating of that situation for a period of time, I can assure you that in my experience at least, you see that it can get old after a while. And so the disability policy is a great way for that disabled business partner to earn the benefits from that policy and thereby also reduce the amount of cash, whether it be by salary, benefits, or otherwise, that's paid to that disabled partner, which then makes it a little bit fairer, if you will, for the partners who continue to contribute full-time and at their full capacity to the business.